how to make friends. Yo, it's your boy Mr. Preach and welcome back to another video, man. Hey, how have y'all been, bro? I know it has been a minute, man. I had just got off a cruise, a little trip. Relax, I feel amazing, I feel blessed, bro. But today's video, I want to talk about how to make friends, how to meet friends, how to engage with people, how to stop being in this isolation period of feeling alone, feeling all by yourself, just feeling like you have nobody, bro. I know, I was in this place where it's like I ain't have no friends, I ain't have no one to go out and do things with, have fun with, have no social life, man. I know how it feels, bro. But I'm here to help you solve the problem today. I'm gonna give you step by step on how I solve this problem myself, man. So the first thing you need to do is stop worrying about what people think and stop being afraid of being judged, bro. You feel me? We're, as human beings, we're so caught up in our heads of being like, oh, what's he gonna think about me? Oh, he may not like me, or she may not think I'm this, or may not think I'm that. And we're afraid of rejection, bro. Stop being afraid of that. That is what's limiting you. That's the first thing that's limiting your belief and limiting you from getting friends, bro, because you need to change your way of thinking. There's something called conjunctive behavior thinking, I believe. It's CBT for short. It's basically changing your perspective on how you view things. So if somebody looks at you a certain type of way, you may think, oh, he doesn't like me, or why is he looking at me like that, or he must not fuck with me, or something like that. He could just be looking at you and he might got a resting bitch face. I don't know, bro. But you need to change your way of thinking instead of, oh, he's looking at me like he don't like me, or maybe he's just looking at me because, damn, he wants me to talk to him or something like that. You feel me? So change the way that you think, man. Stop worrying about people judging you, because that's what's limiting you, man. And make yourself kind of like the prize, man. Hold your head high and be like, yeah, everybody likes me, everybody loves me, everybody wants to be around me, all that, bro. So that's the first thing, man. Stop being afraid of rejection. The second thing is put yourself out there, bro. You have to put yourself out there. You can't just expect friends to always come to you, bro. For the longest, this is what I was doing. I was just waiting for people to come up to talk to me and, want to be friends with me. And, basically, oh, I don't chase, I attract some stuff. And that is true to a certain extent, but sometimes you have to go out and pursue something in order to get it. Some things just don't come to you. And even if they do come to you, you still have to work to go and get it, man. Say you have $1 million just fly by your face, bro, and it land on the floor in front of you. The wind can keep pushing it that way, or you can go and it's not just going to fly right in your hands. It's going to fly right in front of you, but you have to go and grab it, pick it up, and do that work, bro. So that's how it is with friends, man. You can see somebody walking past you and be like, oh, he look like a cool person. They might not talk to you. They just may keep going on with their life, and boom, you may never talk to them, bro. And it's like a butterfly effect, bro. So you have to put yourself out there. Go to things that are, go places that are very social, man. The library is cool, but like go to the gym, go to events, go out to, food, wine tasting things, somewhere where you can get social, bro. The baseball game, somewhere you can get social, bro. So put yourself out there, man. Next thing is be yourself, bro. Do not try and change for nobody else. Do not force anybody to like you. Do not force nobody to try and, be your friend, bro. Be yourself. Do not change you in order to impress the next motherfucker thinking that's going to work, man. Because authenticity is key, man. Eventually, that facade you put on for people is going to fall apart. And people are not going to mess with you, instead of you just being up front from the start, being like, hey, look, I'm a goofy ass motherfucker, ooh, ah, ee. You feel me? Instead of just being like, yeah, I stand tall, I'm a big gorilla. Nah, bro, people are going to see right through that, bro, and people aren't going to like you for that. So authenticity is what's going to get you very far in life, man. And, we've all tried to change ourselves to try and fit in, bro. You don't want to fit in, bro. You don't want to fit in. The people who are supposed to fit in your life will fit in your life, and you will fit in theirs perfectly, man. Don't try and put a circle through a square. It's not gonna work, bro. It's not gonna work. So yeah, man, be yourself. Don't try and change for nobody, man. Don't change who you are. God made who you are for a reason, and who messes with you is gonna mess with you for you. So yeah, man. This next one is my number one tip, bro. You want to know why? Because every time I do it, I meet more people, and I just got off this cruise, bro, and bro, I had the best time of my life, man. But the next one is to travel, bro. Get out of your hometown, get out of your old environment, put yourself in a new environment, in an uncomfortable environment. Throw yourself out into the unknown, bro, because that's where you're going to find things at, bro. You're so used to the people around you, and you know, if you're in a small town, you see the same people every day, bro. Go put yourself out there, bro. Go travel, bro. When I went to New Orleans, bro, I break out of my shell. When I went to Miami, I broke out of my shell, did YouTube. I don't have social, bro, when I travel to different places, I don't have social anxiety. It is so weird, bro. It's so weird. Like I said, I just got off this cruise, bro. When I was on this cruise, I just started talking to everybody. My social anxiety was non-existent. These two girls walked past. The first day I introduced myself, shook her hand. Boom. I just thought, okay, well, I just introduced myself. I may see her around the cruise. I may not. Bro, 2 days later, we got a big ass group of people, over 14 people in our group, bro. And that same girl that I shook her hand on the first day, now we're all cool, bro. Like I knew these people for a week, bro. I knew these people for a week. And I talked to every single one of them without using my phone, without anything, bro. Talked to them face to face. My social anxiety went away. And now we're like this, bro. We're already planning a second trip. Somebody I have only known for only 1.5 weeks, bro. These people are already built. We already built a connection, man. And a cruise is a perfect place to do that, bro. Because think about it. You're on vacation. If you flop with this person, you'll never see them again in your life. Or if you make something, build a connection with them, you will build something so strong, man. Because when you're on a cruise, it's like you're in your own little community. You're traveling. Everybody's happy traveling, seeing new places. And you see this person every single day. I was on a 7-day cruise, bro. I seen these people since the day that I got on that cruise to the last day. And we are all still in contact right now, man. So I'm telling you, bro, even my friend Josu, who went on the cruise with me, bro, he was scared at first. He's just like me, an antisocial motherfucker. Only me and him hang out with each other, bro. But when we went on this cruise, we both broke out of our shell. And now we have friends that we have so many memories with, man. And to be honest, man, I'm going to post the video of the highlight videos, the bloopers, all the videos from my cruise on my second channel, Meech2X on YouTube. Link down in the description below, or it's going to be up here or up here, man. So go click that. Tap in if you want to see the travel videos, man. So yeah, man. But yeah, a cruise is like the best place to meet people, bro. I advocate that so much, man. You know, like I said, you're combined to this little community on this big ass ship where you're gonna see the people every single day, and you're forced to talk to them. So it's like, that's the best thing ever. You're on vacation, you're traveling, you're trying new things, sitting on the beach, man. And bro, if any of y'all watching this, any of my El Latinos and El Balcon, soy Boricua, I love y'all, man. Hey, I love y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. I love y'all. But the next thing, man, is find a group with similar hobbies, bro. Find a group with similar hobbies. You can find these groups on Facebook. The Facebook groups, you can find these groups online, man. If you like to read, go to a book club. If you like to go fishing, join a fishing club. Go down to the lake and start fishing and start talking with a guy who's fishing. If y'all talk about things in common, you just got a new friend right there, man. If you like ice skating, go ice skating. Dancing, bro. Go to dance classes, bro. Find things to do that other people are there to, that have things in common, man. It's so easy nowadays with the internet as well, bro. You feel me? For me, it's the cruise, like the cruise and traveling, bro. Every time I travel, when I meet other people who are traveling, I love traveling and they love traveling too. So we have something in common right there. So boom, what a win-win. You feel me? I meet friends, we got similar things in common, and then we get to travel, bro. Like, it's, you feel me? It's the best thing of my life, man. So yeah, like, just go to these hobbies, go to these groups. You feel me? You can do anything, bro. They probably got, like, if you like fighting, you like boxing, watching boxing, bro, go to a boxing class, play football, flag football, something like that, bro. You can find people that are like-minded, man. Because nobody wants to be friends with somebody they don't have anything in common with. You feel me? Yeah, you don't have to have everything in common with a person to be friends with them, but at least one thing that y'all can talk about. You feel me? You may not like fishing, but you may like hunting, and I know a lot about hunting, so we could talk about hunting. Go hunt together. Now we're hunting buddies, bro. So yeah, it works like that, man. That's a good way to find friends, bro. The next thing is to try new things. You know, put yourself out there and try new things. Like I said early in the video, go out there and you know, me, I never knew I liked painting. I take girls out. Oh, hold up. Any girl watching? I don't say I take girls out. I like going out on a painting date, man. You feel me? Like with friends or anybody. And I like painting. It's trying a new thing, man. Traveling, I keep saying it because that's what I like to do. And I'm not new to it, but I'm relatively more new to it now because I haven't did it in a while. So now I'm hopping back into it again. But yeah, man, trying new things, like going out to try new food spots, bro. You can meet people there all the time, bro. Anything, bro. Go to car meets. That's a new thing. Go to a car meet. That's a new thing that you can try, bro. That you can meet somebody there that, you know, y'all could be best friends in 5 years, bro. That it's so easy. To me, I always felt it was so hard to make friends, which sometimes it kind of is. But when you're in the right environment, it's really not, bro. It's really not. So I'm gonna keep saying, bro, I suggest everyone to go on a cruise, bro. Like I had my birthday was last week, July 15th. That's why I wasn't posting either, man. I was on this cruise and, bro, I could say I had the best birthday of my fucking life, bro. I promise you, I had the best birthday of my life on this cruise, bro. I wouldn't trade it for the world, bro. I want to go back. I don't want to be back in Maryland, bro. I don't want to be back in Maryland, man. But we got a new one planned. Coming soon, man. And the last thing I'm gonna say to make friends, man, is social media, bro. I say it's a last resort, but it's also a good resort, man, because, you know, I've met a lot of my friends through social media. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's such a big platform. Like, you know, you could follow someone on Instagram and be like, hey, you know, for instance, me, I do YouTube and self-improvement. Start talking to somebody who does self-improvement as well and be like, hey, we should collab one day. Boom, y'all collab, and then boom, oh, you live in Jersey, I live in Maryland. Let's drive up, link up together and film a video. Boom, y'all film a video, then y'all start linking up and doing fun things, man. That's the perfect way to do it. Like my one man's, I just started hanging out with him. I knew him since high school, but we really didn't really talk like that. But, you know, like 2 months ago, I hit him up. I'm like, bro, you want to go to an Orioles game or something like that, hang out? He's like, yeah, bro, let's do it. We've been hanging out almost every week since then, bro. And now I got him to start doing YouTube, bro. He bought a GoPro. He bought a MacBook today, man. So, you feel me? Social media is a great place to connect. But I will say don't use that as your only source of making friends, bro. Go out in the real world. Don't feel like an incel. Go out and actually work for it, man. You know, when you work for things, it feels way better. Like, for instance, man, I went up to this girl in the cruise, and I be having a hard time going up to girls. Or I used to have a hard time going up to girls, bro. This girl on the cruise kept looking at me. I kept looking at her in the club. I was like, fuck it, man. I'm gonna go up to her and be like, hey, what's your name? Da-da-da. We start talking. I had me a little cruise girl. I don't want to say too much on the camera, but I had a little cruise girl on the cruise, man. And then I was like, you know what? That wasn't too bad. Let me do it to other girls. So I seen 2 girls looking at me in the cruise again. I'm like, I smiled at them. They're like, I'm like, oh, hold up. Let me walk up to you. Hey, what's your name? My name's Demetrius. Are y'all sisters? They lied and said they were sisters, but they weren't sisters. They were like, oh, yeah, you're cute. You're fine as shit. I'm like, damn, what sister do I choose? And then, you know, there's a couple other girls on the cruise as well that was like that, man. But, yeah, man. All those tips that I just gave you, man, apply that to your life, bro. And, yeah, man. I mean, you could do other things as well as, like, just being in school. If you're in school, it's easier to get friends. Working with people is easier to make friends than just being out in this world, going up to someone, hey, you want to be friends? So it's like, you know, there's other ways too, but those are the ways that help me make friends, man. But yeah, like work also helped me make friends, a lot of friends too. But, you know, sometimes you can work with friends and sometimes you have to have friends outside of work because sometimes the two don't mix, man. Hey, man, but I hope you enjoyed today's video, man. It's your boy Meets the Preach. Sorry for not posting for a little bit. It took me a little break, man, but I'm back on consistent grind, man. We just hit 10,000 subscribers, man, so thank y'all. I love y'all. With that being said, man, I will catch you on in the next video, man. I love y'all. Gang.